हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आपके लिए एक और नई ट्रिक लेके आए हैं। बाय दैट ट्रिक यू कैन लर्न नेम ऑफ द कंट्रीज विच आर बॉर्डरिंग ब्लैक सी। ब्लैक सी is having one of the most important location in the world map, and several questions has been asked related to the Black Seas. We will also discuss few questions in at the end of the slide. Trick is simple. You can remember Black Sea like Turkish burger. Black Sea like Turkish burger. By this sentence, you can remember the countries surrounding the Black Seas. And you can remember the total number of the countries which are surrounding Black Sea is 6. Like Burger is having 6 letters. Burger, Burger, these are the 6 letters. So you can remember Black Sea is surrounded by the 6 major countries. Turkish means Turkey, B Bulgaria, U Ukraine, R Russia, G Georgia, R Romania. Whenever we saw any such type of the physical body like Black Sea, Red Sea, or Mediterranean Sea, just see the map of that sea so that you can also link other questions or other things to that place. Like let us see, this is the Turkey. This is a Turkey, this is Bulgaria, this is Romania, this is Ukraine, this is Russia, this is Georgia. So now you can see location of the countries which are surrounding Black Sea. Sometimes they can ask the location north, south, east, west, which countries lie in north of the Black Seas, which country lie in the south of Black Sea, which countries lie in the east of Black Sea. So by this mapping you can remember, just keep this map with you. Let us see a question of UPSC Prelims 2019 which are related to countries bordering different seas. We will attempt this question with help of our trick. Consider the following pairs sea bordering countries: Adriatic Sea, Albania; Black Sea, Croatia; Caspian Sea, Kazakhstan; Mediterranean Sea, Morocco; Red Sea, Syria. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? If you remember our trick, which countries are bordering Black Sea, by that trick only you can correctly attempt this question. अगर आपने ट्रिक को सही से समझा है तो इस क्वेश्चन को आप अटेम्प्ट कर लेंगे। आइए हम इसका आंसर देखते हैं। द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज 1B, ऑप्शन 1, 3, 4। हाउ? जैसा कि हमें पता है कि ब्लैक सी जिन कंट्रीज को बॉर्डरिंग करता है वो कंट्रीज हैं तुर्की, रोमानिया, बल्गेरिया, रसिया, बट कोर्टिया इज नॉट देयर. So option B is rejected because Black Sea is not touching Croatia, so option 2 will be rejected. So discard 2. Now let us see the possible pair. 1, 2, 4, it is having the 2. C, it is having the 2. D, it is also having the 2 option. So all these 3 will be discarded. So the remaining answer is B. By this trick, by a simple trick, we can attempt one question and we can score 2 extra marks, or we can get correct attempt which will reduce our 0.6 negative marking. Let us see UPSC Prelims 2014 question. This question is not directly related with our trick, but indirectly we can attempt this question. The question was, Turkey is located between Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Gulf of Suez, and Mediterranean Sea, Gulf of Aqaba, and Dead Sea. Simply, we can discard 2 options because we know Turkey is touching with Black Sea and the Black Sea. So possible answer can be this one or this one. This is not the possible answers. Let us see the map of Turkey. This is the map of the Turkey. Turkey is touching the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. अगर आपने कभी भी मैप देखा है टर्की का, कभी भी वर्ल्ड मैप को ध्यान से देखा है, then you will definitely attempt this question. So correct answer is Turkey is located between Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So just remember this map. This is the UPSC Prelim 2014 question. Now in last we are having a practice question. Black Sea not bordering which of the following country? हमें इसमें ये बताना है कि ब्लैक सी किस कंट्री को बॉर्डर नहीं करता या टच नहीं करता. इज इट रोमानिया, बल्गेरिया, यूक्रेन और ग्रीस? दैट्स अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन. जस्ट रिमेंबर आवर ट्रिक. टर्किश बर्गर. सो रोमानिया इज प्रेजेंट है, Bulgaria is present here, Ukraine is present here. In this, GE means Georgia, not Greece. GE, Georgia. So just remember. So by this trick, you can attempt such questions. Thank you.